Hello there, friends. So glad you stopped by. It's Thursday, so that means it's time for Mail Day Thursday. If you're new to my channel, this is something that I started in January of 2022 to just start sending out some of the cards that I create. They don't need to just be sitting in boxes. They need to be sent out to spread some happiness and some cheer. Also, I wanted to do this to encourage you to do the same. Encourage you just to get out and send one card today. Make somebody's day. This week I have 3 cards that I'll be mailing out. So let's get to them. Be mailing out this fun little monster. It says, "You are one of my nicest thoughts." And then the inside it has that. And this one I did even decorate the envelope, so someone will get that in the mail. Super duper cute. It's a retired, the company is no longer in business, but I love them. They were called There She Goes stamps. But yeah, super fun. Another one that I will be mailing out this week is a digital image from Tiddly Inks. Whatever. I just love the attitude that comes through for her. There's the inside of that one. So that one will be going out. And then the last one that'll be going out is one of my interactive cards. I haven't done very many. I kind of went through a spell where I wanted to make them all the time, which I'm kind of feeling like I need to do that again because they are so fun. So it says, "You're so sweet," and the little ice cream moves back and forth between the dragons. And there's the inside. So those are the 3 that I will be mailing out this week. I forgot to mention, in the description box below is a link to my Google form. If you would like to be considered for me to send you a card, please go fill it out. I think I'm about through everyone who has already filled it out, so I need some new people, so go fill it out. I was also very, very lucky this month, or this week, sorry, it's one of those days, this week, and I received some fun goodies. This first card made me giggle so much. It's from my friend Jennifer, and the sentiment says, hashtag it's always Alyssa. If you follow me on Facebook especially, or Instagram, you know that my cat Alyssa is a troublemaker. And so her hashtag when I post about her is it's always Alyssa. So I love that she personalized this for me, and it has a cute little cat on it. And I don't know, this just made my day so much. Thank you for sending this to me, Jennifer. Next, I had another new friend, send me some goodies, and she's a very private person, so I'm not going to say her name. She knows who she is, but she sent me this cute house mouse card. Another one, I like this. Let's celebrate with those beer steins. Takes me back to when we were stationed in Germany. And then this one, the little bee, just wanted to say hi. And she also sent lots of different kinds of tea bags, which I'm excited to try. And I know my daughter will share them with me because we both like to drink tea. And then she made this little card, which she wrote my note on. And then these fun foiled papers, little strips that she sent me, the feathers and the patterns. I thought those would be fun to create with. So thank you so much to my new friend. I appreciate the goodies. So now that you've seen my video, see what I'm going to mail out, I encourage you, get out a card, write on it, send it out today. Let's mail those cards out. I hope you have a great day. I will be back very soon with a Fun with Stencils video. Have an amazing day.